Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to update your PHP version in Namecheap. But before that, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Namecheap course within my university for free. Inside this Namecheap course, you'll learn how to get started with Namecheap shared hosting, how to manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your website performance inside Namecheap. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com. Link in the description. Without any further ado, let's see how to update your PHP version inside Namecheap. It all starts with going to cPanel and under the exclusive for Namecheap customers section, look for select PHP version. As you can see, the current PHP version is the number 8. You can upgrade it or downgrade it as you like. Let's say we want to upgrade it to 8.1. Select it and click on apply. And as you can see, the current PHP version is updated. That was all for updating the PHP version for WordPress in Namecheap. If you learned something out of this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.